Hello, guess that recipe. Normally I just do country quizzes, but today I wanna share you a yummy one. This recipe was invented at this city. For this recipe you needed tacos, tomatoes, one lime, salt, avocado, and cheddar cheese. You just made a guacamole with smashed avocados. I mean avocados, peel the avocado, so I mean avocado. You know what I mean? I really don't know. This is not my first language, so please be nice to me. You'd make a guacamole with smashed avocados and tomatoes and add a bit of salt and lime. Now mix all ingredients, then you lay the cheddar cheese on the taco and let it melt in the oven about 10 minutes with 160 degrees. When the cheddar is melted, you can add the guacamole and bon appetit. Do you know from which country this recipe is invited? Tell me in the comments. You get the answer in my next short on Tuesday.